In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin tabs easier in Mozilla Firefox, and the best part is, it only takes a few seconds. If you keep certain websites open all the time, like email, dashboards, social media, or work tools, pinning tabs can help keep your browser organized and save you time every day. Instead of searching for the same site over and over, you can keep it locked in place for quick access whenever you open Firefox. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go to the website that you want to pin. This can be any page you use often, such as a home page, a login page, or any other site you want to keep easy to find. After the website loads, look at the browser tab at the top of the window. Right-click directly on that tab to open the Options menu. In that menu, click Pin tab. The tab will immediately become smaller and move to the left side of your tab bar, which means it has been pinned successfully. Pin tabs stay in place, so they are much harder to close by accident and easier to access every time you open Firefox. This is a great feature if you want to keep important websites organized and always ready to use. If you ever want to undo it, you can right-click the pinned tab again and choose Unpin Tab. And that's it. You've now learned how to pin tabs easier in Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.